On today's show, we celebrate the legacy of Betico Croes. Plus, in lifestyle, the importance of sleep, and we'll tell you how you can get enough of it, and the benefits in reinventing old ways of building for Aruba's new infrastructure. 15 on 15 starts right now. Thank you for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. January 25th is Betico Croes' birthday, a much celebrated holiday here in Aruba. To commemorate the politician who attained an independent status for the island, let's retell his story.
A free Aruba. That was the dream of the island's liberator, Betico Croes. Croes led the battle for status aparte for Aruba from the Netherlands Antilles. In 1971, he founded the People's Electoral Movement, or the MEP Party. The party adopted a social democratic ideology and strove to bring unity among the island's people. In 1973, Betico made it his goal to achieve more state independence for Aruba, a long process to which he fully dedicated himself. In the process of the realization of our independence, we had our flag and national anthem. We had the referendum, a presentation of a letter to the United Nations. After the public went into action, we had a mission from the kingdom. We had a conference of the Round Table. We had the Commission of Seven, and again, we'll have a roundtable conference. It took many years before Croes was able to cultivate respect and recognition from the Antilles in Holland. Betico Croes was the driving force behind the creation of Aruba's flag and national anthem. And thanks to Croes, Aruba has its own parliament, council of ministers, and governor. The public of Aruba for many long years was shouting to get recognition of its rights and the rights of self-government. We had to fight, and in 1977, finally there was a breakthrough. Finally there came a break in the development, and we can say that after 1977, Aruba got its recognition. On December 31st, 1985, just a few hours before the new year, when status aparte would finally take effect, Betico Croes was in a tragic car accident. He slipped into a coma for nearly 11 months and died on November 26, 1986. But he will always be remembered as a hero by the people of the island he loved so much.
Si respeta